society only using Bhojpuri. You know Bhojpuri?
Yes, I understand. Ka
My society.
khailu ba. Ka karo tani.
Khailu
Ka
ba.
karo tani ba. Ka khailu ba.
Same like this. And so my society only use Hindi and Bhojpuri language. Anyone don't want to learn this language. Really, I'm just sharing you. But I'm facing a lot of interview. A lot of interview.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Chandana. I'm from West Bengal. And if I say about my qualification, I did BA, but last 4 years ago, and I have been learning this language for last 4 years. And now I'm a housewife also, and I do YouTube and I make videos and I upload there. So please introduce yourself.
Thank you for connecting me. Myself, MK Gupta from UP State District, Kushinagar. And done diploma from Mechanical and National Apprenticeship, Danapur Division, Patna, and advanced diploma in computer application also. Now I'm living in Bahrain, out of India, and working commissioning technician. You can see this is my logo. And
Okay.
I hope to talk to the unknown people, a stranger also, and making motivational content also. That's all.
Okay. Nice. Great. So where are you now?
I'm now living in Bahrain. You know Bahrain, out of India. You don't know?
Bahari. Which country? Is it Bahari country?
You know Gulf country?
What?
Gulf country, Gulf.
I
Dubai,
don't know.
you know, Dubai, Qatar,
Dubai.
Saudi.
Yes, yes, Dubai, I know.
Same like that. Nearest Saudi, you can say.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, nice, great. So, when did you go there? How many months back?
Before 1.5 year before I'm
Okay.
came there.
How many years for did you take the visa?
The second year appearing now.
Okay, no, for 3 years. How many years will you stay there?
How many days you stay there?
How many years will you stay?
Yeah, maximum 2 years contract. 1 year I can go for some emergency, like 1 month holiday. After 2 years, my company provided 3 month holiday and ticket also. Maybe 8 months I will go for
Okay,
emergency.
nice, great. How
For
long
one.
have you been using this application?
I'm not giving more time for this application because I'm a working person. I don't have more time. Actually, I'm my job engineering level, maybe not proper engineer, but engineering level work mostly biggest commissioning machines available like chiller package. So
Technician.
I don't have more time for the this conversation. But when I meet some time, so I'm direct connect to the unknown people like you.
Okay, okay. Are you technician or engineer?
Yeah, I'm technician. Now I'm technician, senior technician.
Okay, okay, great. So, how long have you been learning this language and what purpose are you learning?
Actually, when I'm reached Bahrain, most of Arabic people only know the two language, like Arabic and English. So Arabic is so too much difficult. Arabic cannot understand. But when I'm studying 7th and 8th standard, I am using English. I'm so interested in English language because my marks will be in 1995 in English. So I know before times and using English word with classmates, small words, but social media not using. When I'm reached Bahrain, I'm using social media also. So Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and other.
For
Now,
learning purpose.
yeah, learning.
Yes, great.
In person, I want to make a more fluent language because I am studying Hindi medium, not studying English medium because I'm village people.
Yeah, same me also. I also study in Bengali medium and I am from also village. Okay.
Same pinch, eh? Same pinch.
It's too much difficult to learn others language
No,
and
this
with
is
this
this is
only
not
as a subject.
Only if you want to learn this language, consistency is very important. If you don't have consistency, you
Yes.
can't do anything. I'm every day I'm
Mm.
practicing like every day practice 1 page writing every day, and 1 hour every day listening English content, and reading every day, not more time, but 1 page every day reading. Speaking something less, speaking not more, because I'm not have don't have more time, so I
No, you have
speak.
to speak more. If you can't video call, it's okay. You should talk on voice call also, because we study whatever we do. If we don't speak, our mouth will not like what smooth. Yes.
Something hesitation
So
when we talk on people, the something hesitation in my mouth. So I will be practice more, then will be can remove. Without practice cannot remove, I know some. So I am connecting
mm,
with time and connect.
okay, how long have you been learning? Like how many months or years you are
Maybe
focusing about?
you can say 1 year.
Okay, nice. Great. So, what did you get in your beginning time? What did you get the problem? What type of difficulties did you face?
Yes, yes. I'm getting many problem, and when I'm talking Arabic people, when I'm talking Arabic people, he using English like fluently, but I'm not speak fluently. But then I'm decided to the I will speak fluently. I will learn fluently language. So any one my friend talking with his Skype using application. He suggests me you can use and you can join this group, and every day different peoples and unknown people will connect and can talk, no
Hmm.
problem. Then your communication will be improve also.
Okay. So you do YouTube also?
Yeah, I'm also making content. I'm making content like activity. Actually, my society only using Bhojpuri. You know Bhojpuri?
Yes, I understand. ता
My society.
खाइलु बा करो तनी
Khailu
का
ba.
करो तनी बा का खाइलु बा
Same like this. And uh, so my society only use Hindi and Bhojpuri language. Anyone don't want to learn this language. Really, I'm just sharing you. But
Hmm.
I'm facing a lot of interview. A lot of interview, like when I'm living Delhi, when I'm living in Patna, when I'm living in Mumbai, when I'm living in Dehradun, when I'm living in Gorakhpur. A lot of place I'm giving interview, Chandigarh, a lot of into give most of if you have communication skills good, you can easily select it. I'm also many times selected, but some salary issues, so I'm not joined. So I face a lot of difficulty,
Yes.
lot of language. So I I want to share everything. So I'm making content for how can easily, if you don't have you don't join any coaching center, how can you use easily your hands, your phone, use, and how
Yes.
can you use this language without, if you don't have friends. I'm making activity content also, different content, easily small content, how can you use your daily lifestyle content. So that's all.
Yes.
Some motivational speech also making content.
Hmm. Okay.
You-
So,
you-
what do you do for your improving?
what you
Like,
can you repeat?
what kind of, like you told, you listen, these things you do, or otherwise you do another thing for your improving, another
Yeah,
practicing do you do?
yeah, other my also goal by improving my language. So my other goals don't sharing you. Biggest goal,
Okay, okay.
also my big dream. So I try to the make fluent speaker, because without fluent speaker cannot make my goal. So this is the best way for my goal will be make a fluent speaker. Then can I will try makes more experience, just making my experience also, and need more fluent this language. So I'm
Mm. Okay, it's okay. Don't need to share because we don't. We should not share about goals. Yeah. We
Yeah,
should
if you
keep
have
something
knowledge,
secret.
if you have good knowledge, you can share, not positive knowledge. If you have positive knowledge, you are sharing, no problem. You have mistake, no problem. I know I'm a lot of speech saying a big mistake, no problem. Without mistake, you can't do anything. Any one person think a lot of words in the mind, what you cannot use. So first of
Mm,
all, need if you doing mistake, slowly catch your mistake and make good. If you think
mm.
directly good, you cannot do. First of all, will we make something wrong words, no problem, but make something mistake. Without make mistake, you can't do anything. This my thinking. You, I don't know what you are thinking, but it's my thinking. If you,
Yes,
I
yes,
yes, yeah, my
I also
thinking.
believe that.
Yes, yes. If you will not
Mm,
true, my village people are always saying, why are you making content, English content? Because I know the how much important.
mm, okay, okay. So, uh, will you ask me something? Do you want to ask some
You know the
question?
Bhojpuri language just sharing with huh? You also know,
Ah,
huh?
yes, I know, I know. I can a little bit speak.
Why are you
Mm.
join? Why are you learn this language? You
What language? English.
English.
Yes, I like. From my childhood, I wanted to speak, but I did not know how to learn. I had no resources. I had no idea. After becoming, after getting after coming in social media, I got information. I got idea how to learn. Then I started learn, and I'm passionate about this language. I like to learn. I feel happy to learn. So that's
Good.
why, and as I like to talk with people also, so for that purpose, this language is important to connect global people. I can
Yeah.
connect, I can talk with all people. So that purpose, I'm
Yes.
learning.
This is good. You can connect globally. This is a global language. Na? Every person using this language.
Yes, yes.
Also, other language also try, but this language first will be fluent, will be speaker. Then I could try to the another language like American accent and British accent also. But
Yes,
other
once you learn this language, you can next you can any follow any accent,
yeah.
particular British or American. So which accent would you like to learn?
Which accent do you like?
Like to learn.
Like American accent.
Okay, okay, me too.
Same. Why? Same to same. Me too. Why?
No, some people, yeah, no, some people is there like they
Yeah.
like matches their
You
choice.
know, channel is too much famous. I don't remember, but I'm also follow this one channel. He's American accent fluently speaker. He don't more education, but he can fluent speaker of American. I'm not try more. Actually, I don't have more time. Today, I am working person. Each time actually some equipment need other people will be bring. So I have some time. Then I connect you.
Mm, yeah, great.
Have you kids or not kids?
I have a one kid.
No, actually, no problem. You have kids. You are making some content with your kids or not?
No, I don't make because she doesn't stay
How old your kids?
huh?
You,
She's now 3 years old.
no problem. You can make content with your kids like
She
uh,
doesn't make. She doesn't stay quiet. Like she's more active. More active. She can't sit. So whenever I say for come, I'll make with you videos. She will shout. She will talk.
normally. Yes, yes. Normally, you can. You are also using social media. You can make only small words with your kids, and kids also so interested when you will make content. So a lot of channel just I will sharing you English connection. You if you use English connection and 3 4 also
Yes,
channel.
yes.
if you see how easily what you can use is slowly, one by
Mm,
one word. Then
yes, yes,
you
yes, yes. I
improve.
I also try.
Yeah, why not? You can try.
Now she's 3 years old. No, so now she's 3 years old. She also doesn't know anything too much. Just I'm teaching her little by day. She is learning little bit. So once she grow little bit, around 5 years, yes, I will try that. And now it's a process to teach her. I'm teaching her, and also yeah, she is learning very well.
Great. Okay, actually, my other friend just calling me and call you. Which time will be free?
I don't have a particular time. I also, whenever I stay free, I try to talk. I
Okay.
don't have any particular time.
When will we meet time? Again, we will connect you. Okay.
Yes, you. Nice to talk to you. Bye.